quick start. Get in the first over.
What a beauty thing.
Afternoon's proceedings from
Off the seam. You can see his half delivery to get first up.
That's gone. Ooh, in his first over is on the horizon.
TV umpire to direct, shot played, bowler's feet checked. Got pitching in line, impact in line, on screen signal now.
By the time he saw the 0 for 2.
Knocked him over. Back to back 9 test wickets.
Now this is absolutely bowling from Mitchell Starc. My gosh.
That's a huge Mitchell Starc. He drew the lion in the pantheon for him in this annual test.
Warmly applauded. Ball pitching, swinging, and he didn't have to wait too long for the. And indeed, to everyone, Louis goes for 4, and it's 400. Very, very test bowlers.
This is amazing for confirmation. Would have been.
That is some of it. He bangs away on that length.
Classic Josh Hazelwood dismissal. Has played with his hands. Harry, captain departs for a duck.
Well, on that occasion, clean.
Greaves. Boland, as always, turns just catch for Bo Webster. Just 26 on the board.
Right, Shamar Joseph's come out and played his shot. Webster does the rest. Pretty simple catch. And some grim face. That's if the Australians don't send this height. Yeah, there they.
TV umpire to director, play fair delivery. Ultra-edge coming up now. In line, Wickets is hitting.
It's got Boland on a hat trick now.
There he is, Shamar, the Australians. It'll stump. So the second is. Yeah, oh, he's got a hat trick, the 10th.
Test cricket. Scotty Boland. Top Australian. Australia been well prepared. Warwick out.
Unbelievable stuff. At the start, Mitchell Starc, you are an absolute remarkable.